Not all photos make great drawing references. This is a wonderful photo. I mean, I've been there, I loved it, I had a good time, but it just doesn't work for a good drawing reference. Why? Because we've got so many different elements that we love, but they're scattered all over the page. There's even a picture of my little dog there. But we've got the flowers, everything. It's just wonderful, but it doesn't work for a drawing. So what do? Do we toss it? No. We'll take an element out of it that will use this reference photo to its best. I take corners and I crop. I love to crop. I can make this all about the chairs and the little table and the flowers. It looks like a spot where I could sit there and read a book and the sun be on me. Yeah, this is great. Let's see if there's anything else in here. We can move these around. And this kind of works. It's not all that interesting because there's not a central focal point. If I move this over this way, I don't like it as much because the chairs are pointing out of the picture. But if you could flip that, that would work. Let's look down here. If we just loved these little flowers down here, that would actually make a nice little composition. Let's move it in a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. I think those are called Stelladora. I'm not sure. But you can crop. You can find the best thing out of a bad photograph.